I heard that Dr. Mazna in her lab right now.
I hope so.
Let's check in.
Oh no, our maiden absent.
I think so. Hey, what are you doing?
Let's see. Hi guys, what are you guys doing?
We are doing dye penetrant test. Oh, interesting. Can you tell us more about this? Yes, sure. Let me demonstrate to you.
Assalamualaikum and selamat sejahtera. My name is Nurasha Alia and this is my friend Nurul Anis Izati and we are from Mechanical Engineering Department Polytechnic Port Dickson. Today we will show you guys how to perform dye penetrant testing. Dye penetrant testing is widely used to detect surface breaking flaws. This non-destructive method is also known as liquid penetrant inspection (LPI). It is a cost-effective method to inspect flaws such as cracks, porosity, laps, and many other defects. So now we are going to show all of you our dye penetrant testing experiment. Hope you guys will enjoy it. This is the apparatus that we need for this experiment.
So for the first step is surface preparation. The first step is to pre-clean the welding plate using a cleaner. You can either spray it on the microfiber cloth and wipe it on the plate or spray directly on the plate if it's really dirty and greasy. The plate surface is clean to remove any dirt, paint or oil that can affect penetrant issue to detect the defect or cause irrelevant and false indications. The second step is to spray a penetrant on the plate. A dwell time needs for the penetrant to fully absorb into the cracks and voids. This is usually taking around 5 to 30 minutes, but not too long enough for the penetrant to dry. The penetrant is then applied onto the plate surface. This penetrant allows dwell time to get into flaws. The dwell time mainly depends on how much the penetrant being sprayed onto the plate, material being tested and the size of the flaws sought. After 10 minutes, we need to clean the penetrant off the test plate. All penetrant should be removed with cleaner and dry it with lint-free rags until fully clean. The material should be rubbed vigorously until the penetrant is not visible on the dry rags. When using the cleaner and lint-free rags, it is important not to spray the solvent on the test plate directly because it can remove penetrant from the flaws. If excess penetrant is not properly removed, once the developer applies, it may leave a background in the developed area that can mask the defects. In addition, this may also produce false indications, hindering your ability to do a proper inspection.
Next, we need to apply a developer. But first, shake first the bottle very well, then apply a thin light coat developer on the part of being inspected. A dwell time needs to allow the developer to observe and dye to exceed the flaws and create the indication marks. The dwell time for developer typically take around 10 to 60 minutes. The tips for easy developer application is by holding the spray 20 to 30 cm above part and spray short 15 to 20 cm section at a time. The developer draws penetrant from defects out onto the surface to form a visible indication, also known as bleed out. Any areas that bleed out can indicate the location, orientation, and possible types of defects. on the surface. As for the last step is to evaluate the well surface. It is critical to examine the part within the time frame designated in the writing procedure. This is because length of indication can grow over time as penetrant bleed out, causing an acceptable indication to be rejectable defects. Length of indication is measured for evaluation, not length of the flaws. Here, the two linear indications are rejectable defects and round indication is not relevant. The plate surface needs to be cleaned to remove all developers after it has been evaluated.
We hope you guys enjoy and get a knowledge on how to run dye penetration testing. Dye penetration testing proves as one of the lowest methods to do an inspection on the workpiece. Besides, it is very easy to do. That's all from us. Hope to see you again. Bye!
Hai! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera to all. We are representative of Mechanical Engineering Department, Polytechnic Port Dickson. That's all from us. Hope to see you again. Bye!